What's the meaning of Australia? Australia. Australia.
Australia. Australia. Australia is a country and continent located in the southern hemisphere, bordered by the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It has a population of approximately 25 million people and is known for its diverse and unique flora and fauna, including the kangaroo, koala, and eucalyptus tree. Its economy is driven by industries such as mining, agriculture, and tourism. Australia is also home to a rich indigenous culture, with indigenous Australians having inhabited the continent for over 60,000 years prior to European colonization in the late 18th century.